In today's show, XRP dumps another 33% based on the news from the SEC lawsuit. All these exchanges are either delisting or suspending XRP trading, including OKCoin. Crypto.com just announced delisting it from their app as of January 19th. We also had the BXC exchange, as well as Coinbase, who says they're going to fully suspend trading in XRP on January 19th. So as a result of this massive lawsuit and all these exchanges delisting XRP, how low will the prices go? In today's show, I'll be breaking down the support levels to watch out for XRP. Also in today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 reasons why Bitcoin could hit $30,000 within the next couple of days on New Year's Eve. That's right, as Crypto Hamster points out, his ultimate Bitcoin target right now is $32,000. I'll be breaking down some technical analysis right here for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin has achieved escape velocity, says Max Kaiser. That's right, the crypto maverick says there's nothing regulators can do to stop the digital juggernaut. We'll be discussing this in today's show. And as Max Kaiser points out right here, in the meantime, have you invested with Peter Schiff 10 years ago into gold, your portfolio would be up less than 1% today. And had you listened to Max and Stacy 10 years ago when they told you to buy Bitcoin at just $1, you'd be up many thousands of percentage points. That's a fact. And taking it a step further, so $1,000 invested with Peter Schiff in 2011 would be worth about $1,000 today, while $1,000 invested into Bitcoin in 2011 would be worth $27 million today. Stick that in your pipe. And this is my favorite crypto Twitter meme. Doesn't a picture say 1,000 words? Also in today's show, we'll be taking a look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin in the red as Polkadot, Binance Coin, and Cardano are all breaking out. And we also have Ethereum in the green. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, if interested in trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, be sure to check out the Bybit exchange. I have my affiliate partnership link in the description right down below. When you use my link and you deposit 0.2 BTC, you will receive $100 for free as a trading bonus. So be sure to go ahead and take advantage of that by clicking the link right below this video in the description. And I want to stress caution to trade responsibly and only risk what you can afford to lose. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to discuss today. The major delisting as a result of the XRP lawsuit with the SEC continues, as now we have OKCoin announced on January 4th. They will suspend XRP trading and deposits. We also have Crypto.com, who shared just yesterday XRP will be delisted from Crypto.com app in the US effective January 19th, 2021. We also had BXC, who said the SEC has charged Ripple with conducting an unregistered security sale. So due to this, BXC has halted trading for XRP pending further news. And you have Coinbase right here. Given the SEC's recent action against Ripple, all XRP books have been moved to limit only, and Coinbase plans to fully suspend trading in XRP on Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. So there you have it. So how low will the XRP price likely go as a result of this XRP lawsuit? Let's talk about it. The XRP price dropped by 30% this morning following Coinbase's decision to suspend trading. The market sentiment around XRP has become overwhelmingly negative due to the fear of more exchange delistings. In the near term, XRP faces 3 key historical support levels at 22 cents, 17 cents, and 14 cents. So those are the price levels to keep your eyes on, which have a strong support. If those break, we may visit as low as 10 cents. Nobody knows right now, but it's not looking good for XRP hodlers. So where will the XRP price likely go next? The ongoing price trend of XRP is not cyclical or reliant on technical analysis. It is due to investors selling XRP following the suspension of trading across major cryptocurrency exchanges. On December 29th, Coinbase announced it has suspended the XRP trading pairs on their platform. Paul Grewal, the chief legal officer at Coinbase, wrote the following: in light of the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs, we have made the decision to suspend the XRP trading pairs on our platform. Trading will move into limit only starting December 28th, 2020 at at 2:30 p.m. It will be fully suspended on Tuesday, January 19th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We will provide additional updates, if any, through the Coinbase support Twitter account, including if there are any changes to timing. Now, this is a pretty big deal coming from the top exchanges in the world, including Coinbase. And as I said, it's not looking good for XRP. As Cointelegraph previously reported, analysts anticipated Coinbase to suspend XRP trading after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed its complaint. Coinbase plans to undergo an initial public offering, and it's in the firm's best interest to remain fully compliant with the regulators in the United States. Now, considering the regulatory uncertainty around XRP, traders have emphasized that technical analysis is of less importance in the short term. Scott Melker, the wolf of all streets, shared on crypto Twitter. A few people have told me that there's an oversold bullish divergence on the XRP chart. You are doing it wrong. Charts don't matter here. You can trade in a vacuum. Jesus could come down with Biggie and Tupac and put on a concert for Brad Garlinghouse, and I still wouldn't buy. So there you have it, coming from the wolf of all streets himself. And in the foreseeable future, XRP has several major support areas it could potentially recover from. However, these are deep support levels on the weekly chart, as you can see right here on your screen, which shows that it lacks momentum for a major rebound. The XRP price has fallen by over 60% in merely 2 weeks, recording one of its steepest 2-week drops in history. So what happens next for XRP and XRP hodlers? Adam Cochran, a partner at Sinaheim Ventures, was one of the first to break the story that Coinbase had conversations about suspending XRP trading. Cochran hinted that the SEC are probably looking into more projects and companies that people realize. He shared the following: if you thought my scoop on Coinbase, the listing/suspending XRP was insightful, you're going to love the next scoop I'm working on this week. Looks like the SEC is far more active than we thought and sniffing around a number of projects and companies. I also like to point out that about 80 to 90% of all XRP trading is actually done overseas and outside the USA. However, this SEC lawsuit is still a pretty big deal, and it's obviously impacting XRP holders in a major way. Regardless, how low do you feel the XRP price may likely go? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And before I break down our next story of the day and share 3 reasons why the Bitcoin price could hit $30,000 within the next couple of days by New Year's Eve, let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin down 1.3%, trading just above $26,600. We have Ethereum up 1%, trading at $732. Just yesterday, it touched about $750, which is definitely great for Ethereum holders. We have Polkadot, which has been surging, up another 12%, trading at $6.23. We have Cardano up almost 17%, trading at 19.4 cents, and Binance Coin up 7%, trading just above $38, as XRP currently down 32%, trading just below 20 cents. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? Bitcoin has become a tirelessly bullish asset. You can say that again, as the benchmark crypto logged yet another record high on Sunday, hitting $28,387 as traders and investors measured its strength against the US dollar, the global reserve currency that has plunged by more than 12% from its mid-March top. At least that is the popular narrative so far, as the bulls failed to push the Bitcoin price towards its psychological upside target of $30,000. The profit taken ensued that Bitcoin to correct to as low as $25,772, but the intraday bearish bias was brief. Traders and investors flocked back into the king of all crypto market, and the price rebounded back to reclaim its reliable support level of $27,000. Now the case for a $30,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin's retracement on Monday prompted many analysts to see a bullish continuation scenario. Some pointed to an apprehensible upside technical structure, a bull pennant, brewing on the shorter time frame charts as the crypto consolidated sideways. Now the technical setup projected $30,000 as its primary upside target, as shown in the following chart shared here on crypto Twitter by the Crypto Hamster. I'll share with you his original tweet here on December 20th. He wrote, "Bullish pennant, first target reached. I personally wouldn't give too much hope for the maximum one," which it shows right here on your screen. And then he just updated this 17 hours ago yesterday and wrote, "The fact that I personally don't like those doesn't mean that such things cannot play out. Previous Pennant kinda reached my max target. Now there's another one, $28,000 and $32,000 as targets. So as you can see right here, it shows the ultimate target at $32,000. Let me know when you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to reach this price target. Drop me a comment right down below. Nevertheless, some dissenting views also appeared forth. According to Michael Van de Poppe, an independent market analyst, Bitcoin looks poised to continue its downside correction, primarily because of its overbought status. He shared the following on crypto Twitter: Bitcoin upside potential is limited short term, which means that altcoins will do well, all those that have upwards potential right now. And he also stated that the cryptocurrency could fall to below $20,000 in the next major sell-off. On the other hand, the fundamentals show an altogether bullish bias, promising that the Bitcoin price could be on its way towards $30,000 by the upcoming New Year's Eve, which is only 2 days away, just FYI. Now, here are 3 reasons why a continuation rally could and should happen. Reason number 1, a big fat stimulus check. That's right, the House of Representatives passed legislation on Monday to increase direct economic relief to millions of Americans after President Donald Trump's unilateral demand. The measure, which passed Congress, proposed to change the stimulus checks from the amount of $600 to $2,000. It came a day after Mr. Trump signed the second COVID-19 relief bill on Sunday night, paving the way for a $900 billion aid to reach American households and businesses. Bitcoin reacted optimistically to the stimulus news and very much in line to its previous rally that followed the U.S. government's $2.3 trillion coronavirus aid announcement in April of 2020. Bitcoin mainly retraced higher after Trump signed the bill, confirming that traders and investors treat the stimulus events as bullish. How many of you purchased Bitcoin with your stimulus check that you received earlier this year? And how many of you are going to purchase Bitcoin again with your new stimulus check? Let me know in the comments below. Therefore, if the Republican-controlled Senate lets the amended bill go through with the winning vote, the stimulus package's overall size would increase by extensive margins. That in turn would pressure the US dollar lower further, benefiting Bitcoin in the process. That's right, because Bitcoin is a hedge against the dollar and inflation. Now, number 2, a $100 million investment for Bitcoin. That's right, as the stimulus expansion reaches an impasse, Bitcoin has found more reasons to grow its market cap thanks to its ever-expanding institutional base. Another NASDAQ-listed corporation joined the ranks of mainstream companies and investors that have invested into Bitcoin. We have GreenPro Capital, a Hong Kong headquartered business intelligence firm, announced it would raise debts worth $100 million to buy Bitcoin, calling the cryptocurrency a reliable future store value. They shared the following: I've instructed our investment bankers to raise debt in Q1 2021 of up to $100 million to invest into Bitcoin, confirmed CEO C.K. Lee, adding that GreenPro will also invest its own cash into Bitcoin. Checking out this tweet on crypto Twitter from First Squawk: GreenPro Capital up 133% in pre-market after the company announced that it intends to set up a Bitcoin fund for investment. That's right, this is already extremely bullish news for the company, as another major institution is welcome to the Bitcoin family. Now, the news further attested to the theory that institutions would purchase Bitcoin even as it trades near its all-time highs. In fact, the higher it goes, the more institutions that are jumping on board. That could allow traders to spot potential accumulation zones to plan their medium to long-term bullish bias, creating an ideal setup for the price to claim the $30,000 level. Now, for number 3 is Google Trends. That's right, internet searches for the keyword how to buy Bitcoin attained a perfect score in a 12-month time frame, suggesting that the cryptocurrency market now attracts more retail players, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, the active Bitcoin wallets have also increased by more than 100% in 2020. All I know is this: I couldn't be more bullish on the king of all crypto as I am right now. And before I break down our next story of the day, Bitcoin has achieved escape velocity, says Max Kaiser. There's nothing regulators can do to stop the digital juggernaut. But before we do, let's first take a look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at $723 billion, with just under $200 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And Bitcoin dominance is currently 69.3% according to CoinMarketCap. Now, checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Polkadot up 13%, trading at $6.58. We have Cardano up a whopping 17%, trading at 19.3 cents. Binance Coin up 8.5%, trading just above $38. We have Cosmos up 5.7%, trading at $5.25. And Swiss Borg up 10.5%, trading just under 30 cents. Now checking out the biggest losers within the top 100, we have XRP down almost 32%, maintaining just at that 20-cent support. We have Stellar Lumens down about 9%, trading at 13.7 cents. 0x down 5%, trading at 36.5 cents. And Neem down 6.8%, trading at 22 cents. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Drop me a comment right down below. Now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 91 in extreme greed. Yesterday was a 92, last week an 88, and last month an 89, all of which is within extreme greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD. Buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's check out this tweet from Max Kaiser of the Orange Pill podcast, who wrote, "In the meantime, have you invested with Peter Schiff into gold? 10 years ago, your portfolio would be up less than 1% today. Had you listened to Max and Stacy of the Kaiser Report, who have been telling us to buy Bitcoin back when it was only $1, you'd be up many thousands of percentage points. That, my friend, is a fact." That's right. As Max points out right here, keep in mind, I started telling Peter Schiff to buy Bitcoin at $1 and kept telling him to buy it at $10, $100, $1,000. And Max ain't telling no lies. Check out Peter Schiff's track record right here. This is in 2013. He wrote, "Thinking of buying Bitcoin instead of precious metals? Think again." Peter Schiff explains why in an exclusive video. Then in 2016, he wrote, "Bitcoin price crashes below $500, down over 20% on the day on exchange hack and theft of the cryptocurrency." Then in 2017, he wrote, "It looks like Bitcoin, damn at the $4,000 support level, has broken. It's now a bloodbath as the floodgates are wide open." And to provide a little more clarity, as Max Kaiser points out, so $1,000 invested with Peter Schiff in 2011 would be worth about $1,010 today, while $1,000 invested into Bitcoin in 2011 would be worth $27 million today. Stick that in a pipe. So there you have it. And Peter Schiff responded to Max about an hour ago and wrote, "I do not recall you ever talking to me about Bitcoin when the price was that low. Since so much about Bitcoin is a lie anyway, I guess you feel that including a few more makes little difference." All right, and before I break down our final story of the day, Bitcoin has achieved escape velocity, says Max Kaiser, and there's nothing regulators can do to stop the digital juggernaut. First, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all 640 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find us on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Bitcoin guru Max Kaiser believes that the leading crypto has achieved escape velocity from regulators. The flamboyant host of RT's Kaiser Report told Britain's Express newspaper that the surging crypto coming under increased scrutiny from newly appointed U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen was nothing to worry about, because she will be powerless to stop the digital juggernaut. Her negative attitude towards cryptocurrencies worries some investors who fear that crippling regulations could be in the pipeline. However, Kaiser assured there is literally nothing they can do to stop it that doesn't require them to print more fiat money, which only makes the demand for Bitcoin and the price go higher. That's right. And Kaiser has been imploring his viewers to buy Bitcoin since it was just $1, and he added, "We are already seeing defections. Regulators in various countries are defecting to Bitcoin. It's like the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991, except this time it's the fall of the global central banks. That's right. And now for one of my favorite quotes right here, Max Kaiser shared, Bitcoin is playing 4D chess. Regulators are playing checkers. So there you have it. And higher inflation and increased amounts of monetary stimulus from the US Federal Reserve will only increase Bitcoin's attractiveness as a store of value, he told the paper. Yellen, who was the Federal Reserve chairman from 2014 to 2018, recently said she wants the US Congress to spend more, stating that the economy needs the spending. Concerns about money printing induced inflation have driven a growing number of institutions into Bitcoin recently, fueling a massive price surge to over $28,000, as Max Kaiser predicted, nearly 6 times its price at the bottom of the crash back in March. So there you have it. All right, now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. How low could the XRP price go? I shared with you the price levels to watch out for with the strong supports. I also shared that all these major exchanges just joined the bandwagon, either delisting or halting XRP trading, including OKCoin, Crypto.com, as well as the Coinbase exchange. Also in today's episode, I shared with you 3 reasons why the Bitcoin price could realistically hit $30,000 within the next couple of days on New Year's Eve, which would be a fantastic way to bring in the new year, wouldn't it? As I pointed out right here, Crypto Hamster shared that his ultimate target is $32,000, as you can see right here on your screen. Also in today's episode, as I pointed out, Max Kaiser shared $1,000 invested with Peter Schiff in 2011 would be worth about $1,000 today, while $1,000 invested into Bitcoin in 2011 would be worth $27 million today. Stick that in a pipe and smoke it. And as always, crypto Twitter for the win with this meme. Also, as I shared in today's show, Bitcoin has achieved escape velocity, according to Max Kaiser, who says that there is nothing regulators can do to stop the digital juggernaut. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go from here? Drop me a comment right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button, that's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick, before I go, if interested in trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, be sure to check out the Bybit exchange. I have an affiliate partnership link right down below the video in the description. And if you use it to register and deposit 0.2 BTC, you will receive $100 for free in Bitcoin as a trading bonus to use towards your trades. So go ahead and take advantage of this offer. And if you're going to trade, please do so responsibly and never risk what you're unwilling to lose. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.